Hello everyone, I'm Basanta and welcome to my channel Automation Made Simple. The topic of today's video is software automation testing tool. So what is a software automation testing tool? An automation testing tool is a tool that helps you automate your tests easily. It reduces time and energy required for writing an automation script. While there are many automation tools available in the market, few of the popular automation tools include Cypress, Catalan Studio, Selenium, Appium, and Playwright. While all of the tools have their own unique features, advantages, and disadvantages, the question is how to choose an automation tool for automating our tests. While there may be various factors involved for selecting an automation tool, there are mainly three factors that I would like to point out. The first point is consider your requirements. Do you need to test a web application or mobile application or desktop application? What is the required platform to run your application? Is it Windows, Mac, or Linux? If you want to test web applications, then Selenium and Cypress will be best fit. Similarly, you can use Appium for mobile application testing. The second point that I want to point out is the project budget. There are automation tools that are absolutely free, while there are also tools that you need to pay a good amount to use. So always keep the budget in mind while making selection of an automation tool. The third point that I want to point out is selection of team. Selection of a team that is capable and can adapt to needs is absolutely vital in selection of an automation tool. For example, if you use Selenium, then it supports various programming languages. So if the team responsible for testing has even a basic knowledge of any programming language, then there would be no problem. However, if you choose a tool like Cypress, then it supports JavaScript programming language only as of now. So if the testing team does not have an idea regarding JavaScript language, then this would be a huge problem. Now that we have talked about various automation tools, let us take a look at what many consider to be the most popular automation testing tool, which is Selenium. So what is Selenium? Selenium is an open source web-based automation tool. It is arguably the most popular automation tool for software testing. Okay, so why should we use Selenium? Why there are many reasons to use Selenium. I would like to discuss about a few reasons. And the first reason to use Selenium is that it is open source. Selenium has a large community due to which resources related to Selenium is used. You can easily find the resource that you are looking for in the web and connect to people having knowledge of Selenium. You can find solutions easily if you are stuck writing an automation program. Also, since Selenium is open source, you don't have to pay for it. The second point I would like to talk about is it is language independent. Selenium supports a wide variety of programming languages such as Java, Python, JavaScript, PHP, .NET, C#, Ruby, etc. So, if you are familiar with any of these programming languages, then you can easily start learning Selenium. Even if you are not familiar with any programming language, then you have a wide variety to choose from to get started with Selenium. Another reason to use Selenium is it is platform independent. Selenium supports different operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux. So if your software requires cross-platform compatibility, then Selenium would be a good fit. Now, like every tool, Selenium also has its disadvantages or cons. So what are the disadvantages or cons of Selenium? The first point is there is no technical support. Since Selenium is open source, there is no one to provide you any technical support in case you run into any kind of problem. The second point is it is limited to testing web applications only. Selenium can automate browsers and their actions. However, when it comes to automating desktop applications or mobile applications, it fails miserably. The third point is lack of inbuilt report generation feature. Selenium depends on other test frameworks such as JUnit and TestNG for generating test reports, as it does not have its own inbuilt feature to generate such reports. The final point that I want to talk about is skill manpower. Selenium does not have any feature to write codeless automated tests. Some testing tools such as Test Complete, RunRx, etc. provide this feature. Selenium, however, does not allow for codeless testing, so you need a good grasp of one of the programming languages if you want to use Selenium for automating your tests. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, goodbye.